So when you're on the job, do you have any favorite songs that you listen to, favorite types of music? What's on your playlist when you're cleaning?
Oh, everything from like rock to like pop.
I'm gospel music.
Yeah.
I honestly use my cleaning time as like a meditation kind of time. So it's just like you're minded. Yeah. And then it's actually better that way.
Do you have a playlist that you refer to when you're cleaning?
I actually listen to podcasts almost exclusively now because a few clients came home to hear me singing at the top of my lungs. So.
I love that.
I'm not a terrible singer, but you don't get my best work with earbuds in.
Like the 80s, sometimes I like the 2000 throwbacks.
Maybe some like Selena Gomez or something.
Selena Gomez, all right. Selena Gomez and Scrubbi. That's good. That sounds like a good combo.